Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-40N for network dash static display. And basically the static displays just display whatever you send it, the code that you send it. And we have online code, that protocol that we, non-proprietary, but code that we have and we advertise with the units. And also you'll get a copy of it when you order one. But basically it's 9600 baud. You send 6 bytes to port 23, and specific protocol or specific symbols that you send it will give you various results. So right now I'm using what we call a packet sender. This is a free download, free company out there. That's what they call it. It's called Packet Sender, and we've got it set up. I just gave it a name for static, and here's code that I put in there, and I've got it O, which is the letter or the number 0, capital C, and then 3 zeros after that. And I've set in the protocol, or the actually IP address. This is the IP address of the network card. And all our network cards are set up for DHCP, and once you plug them in, then you got to find out which IP address they are. And they also are set up for 9600 baud 8N1. Port 23 is the port you're going to be using, or you're going to be addressing, and you have to set this up for a UDP, not a TCP. So I'm ready to send. I'm going to go ahead and send it, and this basically says I'm going to send all zeros with no decimal points. So if I wanted to send, like, say, a colon, I would change it to code up here to a D, which would give us a colon plus lower decimal point to kind of give you the idea that, hey, it's in timer mode, and we're displaying some kind. It's not a timer actually, it's just displaying some type of numerical value that's separated by colons. So if you wanted to represent minutes and seconds, and the minutes and seconds are going down, then that's what that would show you. So basically I'll set that up, and we will set it up for 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will give us the colon and then the lower right decimal point. And we've got another code that's for the colon in the upper left. Let's say you wanted to send blanks. So then you put in 2 colons. Now I know I'm confusing you probably a little bit, and then this gives us 2 blanks. Let's say we don't want to show the colon and the decimal point, so we take out the D letter and put in the C, and gives us just 34. This is just going to display whatever code that you send it. It will take, the refresh is 10 milliseconds, so if you want to send it really quickly and change the display very quickly, you can do that. We do suggest that you test first to make sure you get familiar with it on your first unit, and we suggest maybe downloading this packet sender. It's a free download from the website, not ours, but the company. We have that posted. But this gives you an idea of the DC-40N-static display. It's a network static display. It's 4-inch numerals, so you can see it up to 200 feet away. Comes in aluminum enclosure. Can be mounted on a 2x4 or 4x4 electrical box. Comes with 6-foot wall adapter. It's 12 volts going into it, and it's very easy to set up and get going. So there you have it, DC-40N-static. Thank you.